YouTube's Demograffix, aka Dirty Dems, back with another one. So this is part 4 of the painting someone's house, and we're doing a Streetfighter themed wall, so rolling with the punches today. And yeah, it's been quite hard. First part of the morning had to sketch up, and it's been quite tricky because there's small pillars on the sides that are going to be painted. So here on the right hand side we have Ken. That's Ken. And, we've got the background of the London scene. We've got the energy bar running along the top. And for the versus sign up there in the middle, I used my coffee flask and I drew around it to get the circle shapes in the middle. And I've used this building site, bits of wood, to get the energy bars marked out. And on the left side we've got Ryu, London, sort of street scene, and then we've got him there doing a Hadouken. So it's going to look sick. So now it's all just got to mask off the area, and then I can start painting. So you've seen the sketch behind me, and just up here is the design that Abdul supplied. So I've tried to meet the design where possible. So I've masked up. You can see all around the edges I've used masking tape. And now it's time to get stuck into this kick-ass mural. So let's get it. So I've started working on the top portion above the doors, and I'm going to work on the top half and then work my way down on each side. This is the start. So back again, day 2 on the Streetfighter wall. You can see I've got Ryu up there. We hopefully will have this completed by the end of today. So I'm going to work in some dark blue onto the Streetfighter emoji up there, or icon or avatar at the top, and then work down and get Ken started as well. We'll get it finished today for sure. So you can see still a building site, and he's even got the gym gangs. The gym's being set up, all the equipment. Working my way through the wall, around equipment, just doing the London background. So I'm going to do this energy bar now. So I'm going to mask it off with some masking tape along, and then fill it in with green and maybe a bit of fluoro green on top just to make it glow. So I've just added the masking tape. Now I'm going to add the green. I'm using the Loop Dubai green. So I used the Loop Dubai green for the majority of it. I did a light coat, and then the Medina. Can we focus? There we go. The Medina on that end with a fade strip going through the middle, and then just been shaking this up, bit of fluoro just to charge it up, and I'm going to add the fluoro on this end and along the edges just to make it glow with a bit of fluoro. That's the Loop fluoro. now is the moment of truth. We're going to peel that off just to see what that comes out like. Just very lightly, just peeling off the tape. Nice and sharp lines. Take this top one off. I want to peel off any of the artwork underneath the tape, so we're doing it very slowly. Just peeling that off. It's a nice crisp line we're getting there so far. So that's it. Energy bars up there, nice and sharp. So we've got the light on, so you can see the glow in the energy bar. Nice. Okay, so day 3 of the Streetfighter wall. You see I've got Ken up there. I've got the energy bars in the background done. Ryu down there, he's done. Just got to do the Ken behind me at the bottom, doing Dragon Punch or whatever it is, and a bit of the background. And then once I've done that, go over it with some paintbrush or some Posca markers to do the fine detail. Okay, so it's just gone sort of 1:30. Managed to get the wall completed, and now I'm going to add the details, so the faces on the characters and just a few lines here and there just to strengthen it. I'm just using the paint brushes and acrylics to work in some detail to the face and a few lines here and there. But, yeah, you can see what a difference it makes. So we've reached the end of part 4, the Streetfighter mural. As you can see, it's looking sick. It's all in there. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.